Okay, so I sang way too much over Easter and the week after that and strained my vocal cords, and I've been diagnosed with laryngitis. I'm not supposed to sing, yell, or whisper for a month and talk as little as possible. Don't tell my doctor. Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk all things about life, food, family, fun, all the things that affect our lives on a daily basis as women. So if you are new here, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Heather, and we are gonna do a really fun hack today, and I'm gonna involve some family members. So it's a kitchen hack, a food hack. If you're interested in that, stay tuned and let's do it. Before we get started, if you haven't seen my glitter eyeshadow hack, check out last week's video when I did it. I've got it on again today in a different color, and it's just so much fun. So check that out. I'll leave it in a card above here so you can click on that. So on to today's food hack. Does anybody else buy the ice cream toppings, you know, caramel and marshmallow and cherries, and you've got peanut butter and jams and all sorts of stuff that you can use with ice cream, and you get to the bottom of it and there's still some in there at the bottom and you're like, there's more, I know it, I can get more. No? Only me who's obsessed with caramel? Maybe I have a problem, but I don't care. I'm gonna eat it anyway. Well, I found a hack which allows you to get the very bottom bits of all that yummy goodness out and not waste a single drop. Basically, the hack is you turn the jar into your next bowl of ice cream.
Take the jar that's almost empty, throw it in the microwave for 10 seconds, put the ice cream in this, and it becomes your next special dessert.
I'm just not sure that I can find any volunteers to help me out with this food hack. Anybody want to help me out with this food hack?
Okay, I have 3 volunteers. I have Zach, I have Jacob, and I have my dad visiting from Colorado. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Okay, so we have caramel, marshmallow, and cherries. Everybody dig in. Let's see if this hack works. Okay, now switch jars. Keep your spoon. Switch jars. Go.
Man, this stuff is cold.
Verdict. Zach, which one's the best?
Caramel.
Caramel. Jake, which one's the best?
Caramel.
Caramel. Dad, which one's the best?
I really liked them all.
Okay, so thumbs up or thumbs down on this hack to get every last drop of your topping. Jay, thumbs up. Okay.
Ziggy piggy, ziggy piggy, ziggy piggy.
All right, so super easy, super quick, super simple, and super yummy. I mean, this works, and it's not earth-shattering rocket science, but it was just a fun thing to do. And shout out to my dad who volunteered to eat ice cream. I mean, let's face it, I didn't have to twist his arm. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Super easy and quick. I hope you had some fun watching it, and it was really fun to make it. And, you know, don't waste that amazing caramel. Make it your last bowl in the jar. So until next time, stay inspired. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.